In this video, I'm going to show you how to share YouTube video on Twitter. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up YouTube app and now from your homepage you can find a video that you would like to share, and then you can hit at that three dots icon next to video name and select share to bring up that options. Or you can open up a video where just under the channel name you can easily find that share button, and if you'll tap on that it brings the same features. So where among these icons you can easily find Twitter. I can see it right here. If you don't see it here, you may drag this toolbar to the left until you find the Twitter icon, then you'll just need to tap on that to open up Twitter app, and it moves you to tweet editor where you can see pasted text and the links, and now you can move cursor wherever you want, and then you can edit the text, so you can delete that text title and write here anything that you want. After that you can right here tap add tweet to share this tweet with your followers. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.